Alright. So we got everything being drained on this thing, you know.
You got a damn bug in this thing.
Not me, that's you, bud.
You have one, look. That was in your corn, dog. I'm not
Ooh,
trying to,
there's a bug.
I'm not trying to fuck this other lineup that's up here.
Yeah, we're working on draining it. I'll let you guys know how it goes. We're just gonna go ahead and remove the radiator, all the wires, and get everything out of our way so we can go ahead and start undoing bolts to remove the motor. We'll be back to you soon.
Yeah, pull it. You can pull it towards you a little bit. A little more. All right, right there's cool. I'll grab mine.
Just throw it under there.
Oh damn, mine is empty.
Oh, yeah, mine-
I didn't even know it was empty. Just a touch, man. A little bit. Yeah, pull it.
Is that good?
Yeah. Hey, Caden, come here real quick.
Hey, you.
Hold the motor, or hold the hood up. See if the hood will move up anymore. Yeah, hold that motherfucker. Hold it right there. You ain't gonna hit shit now. Next thing to hit the hood is the fucking motor.
This bitch ain't never got a turbo.
Oh yeah.
When I say move that up, move it up. Good.
Close garage door a little.
See how it's linked? If we put enough pressure right here to lift up, we can pull out.
Well, look how far down the pan is. Well, he can close the garage door a little more, because it'll get us a lot more room. All we need to do is get it past the car, then we can open the door right back up. Alright. No more. Right there's good. Alright. Jack it up.
Good.
Just make sure you don't hit the car that's your jump in. Let us know when we're high enough.
Hold on one sec. Pulling this shit.
Oh, we're about good though. You pull it.
Where we going?
Go. Try to turn it towards you. Like the little push the front in that way.
I got teeth for you. I'll hold the name on it.
Alright. Gotta move this. Yeah, just like that.
I went hard on my mind.
up with it. Yeah, get close to some more.
Hold on. We got it. Relax.
People drop the motor a little bit.
Right. Hold on.
Drop the motor a little.
Go ahead, pull it down. Slow. Alright.
You got it?
Worry about holding it.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna shift it real quick. No, you ain't gotta move it. I got it. We're going for that tire or what?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on the tire for now. Because I have to get bolts long enough to put it onto the stand. So I can wait for that.
I got you. We're getting the motor.
Give it a good push, Richie. Shit. They're cool. They just hit the valve cover.
Hey, shift that. Yeah. Alright. You want me to lay it on it?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on the tire. We'll leave the chain strapped to it, but I'm just gonna put it on this for now. For safety. Yeah. Yep, man, it's close. What time is it? Oh, Doc, you gotta walk. Come on. It's 5?
Yeah, 5:51.
5:51. We start at like, I'd say 12.
No, we didn't.
Now what time?
Nigga, we didn't eat till like 1.
Oh. So what, like 4 hours maybe? Hell yeah, that's not bad at all. That's moving everything, really. Yeah, you gotta.
That's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, what you got?
Ready?
You're not the fucking man.
Y'all want to see the new motor?